Have you ever wondered about the crucial role the textile and clothing industry plays in the economy of Bangladesh? Buckle up as we dive deep into the evolution of this vital sector, tracing its journey from the early years of Bangladesh's independence to the present day. Post-independence in the early 1970s, the gross domestic product of Bangladesh was a mere $6.29 billion, according to World Bank data. Fast forward to 2021, and this figure catapults to a staggering $368 billion. Remarkably, $46 billion of this GDP was earned from exports, with a whopping 82% coming from ready-made garment exports. By 2002, textiles, clothing, and ready-made garments made up 77% of all products exported from Bangladesh. Fast forward to 2020, and Bangladesh proudly held the second position in global textile production right after China. Bangladesh has become the second largest supplier of Western fast fashion brands worldwide. 60% of its export orders to the West come from European buyers, 30% from American buyers, and the remaining 10% from other buyers. Despite foreign ownership of only 5% of textile factories, the majority of production is controlled by local investors. In the fiscal year of 2016 to 17, the ready-made garment industry earned $28.14 billion, representing 80.7% of total export earnings and 12.36% of the GDP. Around this time, the industry began to implement environmentally friendly production methods. By 2022, Bangladesh had the highest number of environmentally friendly factories globally. However, the textile business in Bangladesh has been a point of contention in the debate of trade versus aid. It's argued that the ready-made garment industry in Bangladesh has benefited more from trade incentives like the Textiles and Clothing, ATC, Everything But Arms, EBA, and the American Tariff Relief Assistance in the global clothing market than from foreign aid. In 2012, the textile industry employed 45% of the total workforce in Bangladesh, yet it only contributed 5% to the total national income. The collapse of Rana Plaza in 2013, along with numerous factory fires, led to the deaths of thousands of workers and subjected Bangladeshi textile producers and buyers to criticism. Many were outraged at the violation of worker safety and began to work with the government to improve safety standards. The role of women in the Bangladeshi textile industry is significant. Some argue that the textile industry is an important medium of economic security for women. Others focus on the fact that women disproportionately represent the textile worker population, making them disproportionately victimized in such disasters. Despite various initiatives to improve the working environment, many believe there is still more work to be done. Despite the obstacles, Bangladesh's textile production industry, with a strong backward linkage industry, can achieve up to 60% value addition by directly importing raw cotton, which could reach $30.61 billion by 2018. Peering into the future, the textile and clothing industry in Bangladesh is predicted to continue its upward trajectory. However, it must navigate challenges such as improving worker safety standards and implementing environmentally friendly practices. This industry's journey is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of Bangladesh, punctuated by milestones of growth and challenges overcome.